What's up everyone, my name is Costa, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I try my best to live a healthy lifestyle for many reasons. A lot of you guys ask me about my lifestyle and what I do to stay healthy and lean, so I decided to put some personal tips here on this video to help boost your motivation and get you to look and feel your best starting right now. By the way, this video is sponsored by the National Pork Board, and we're gonna be going over some nutrition tips in just a little bit. But first, let's talk about sleep. When you're younger, you don't value sleep. I know that I never did, right? I thought sleeping sucked and it was just getting in the way of my parties, my work, my social life. But as you get a little bit older and more mature, you start to understand how important sleeping really is. And it's huge. We spend a third of our lives sleeping, so the best thing that you can do to maximize the quality of your sleep is invest into these three things. Number one, a new mattress. Get rid of your old crappy mattress and get something that you love, something that gets you excited to lay down after you've had a very long day. Number two, get blackout blinds, all right? Sleep in pitch black dark and your life will change completely. And number three, get into a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed every night at a certain time and wake up at the same time the next morning. My productivity went through the roof once I started applying all of this into my schedule. I have more energy during the day, I fall asleep faster, my body is rested, and I don't feel achy throughout the day. My back doesn't hurt. You know, I'm telling you, it is completely life-changing. Next up, make working out a priority. Forget the rest of your day. Forget all these little things that come up, because things always come up. Things are always in the way. If you don't make working out a priority, then there's always gonna be something else happening. Oh, I can't work out right now because I have to clean these dishes, or I have to call my friend, or I have to do this and that. Work out first. Get your exercising done before doing these other things. You know, once you make working out a priority, you will always work out and your body will finally start to change. But of course, working out is only 20 to 30% of what we need to do to change our bodies. Our diet is actually the most important aspect of living a healthy lifestyle. As you guys know, I have a pretty strict diet, but I don't count macros or any of that. I don't obsess over it. I just eat healthy food and I stay away from unhealthy things. Make sure you're getting a nice healthy breakfast in, like oats or eggs with loads of water, maybe some fruit. And as for lunch and dinner, you need to make sure that you're getting all the protein that your body needs. Pork tenderloin is considered to be an extra lean cut of protein by the USDA. All right, it has 2.98 grams of fat per serving compared to 3.03 grams on skinless chicken breast. That's crazy. And it has 22 grams of protein. It's extremely nutritious. And to be honest, I didn't really know that. I had to do a lot of research this week to make this video, and it blew me away that pork is leaner than chicken breast. Just cook it to the right temperature until it's a light blush pink color at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And I know that some of you can't eat pork, right, due to religious reasons, and that's obviously fine, but if you can, it's a really good option. Where I'm from, in Brazil, we eat a lot of pork, all right? It's how we make some of our best and tastiest dishes. Man, I miss Brazilian food so much. I need to book another trip to see my family and eat a lot ASAP. Guys, don't forget to eat a balanced diet. You don't need to count macros, but you do need to realize what is good and what is bad. Eating healthy will change your body from every angle. You will feel better, you will look better, from your muscles to your lowering body fat percentage to your overall health. Definitely incorporate a healthy diet into your lifestyle and add pork to your healthy diet, all right? You can visit pork.org/cooking to learn more. Quick shout out to the National Pork Board for helping me realize the healthy benefits of eating pork and for sponsoring today's video. So now you have a healthy diet, you're sleeping well, you're working out. What else can you do to be healthy? Well, next, avoid the big three, all right? Smoking, drinking alcohol, and of course, doing drugs. Sounds simple and easy, but I know a lot of people who can't stop smoking for whatever reason, and then when we go hiking, they're out of breath in 10 minutes into the hike. And I know others who drink beers 3 to 4 nights a week, and they've put on a lot of weight because of that. And unfortunately, I know people who have issues with drugs, you know, and they have a very hard time letting go of that. Try your best to stay away from these three for a healthy lifestyle. So I'm weird, all right, because normally people hate going to the doctor's office, but me, I actually love it. Honestly, there's no better feeling than going to the doctors, right? You go in there and then you leave knowing that you are healthy, that you are good, and that you've been checked out by a professional. And if for whatever reason there is something wrong, you can actually catch it as early as possible to take care of it. So don't be one of those guys who are too good or too manly to go to the doctors. That is not cool. The same way that your car needs maintenance, right? Your body, which is a much more complex machine, needs professionals to take good care of it. Also, one of my biggest goals for 2019 is to work on mental health. A lot of times people are scared to talk about mental health. They think it's taboo or something, but I don't agree with that. Because if you're not talking about it, you're not learning, you're not sharing your ideas and your thoughts. So I am 100% going to make an effort to take breaks from work, to go out with friends, to see my family, to talk to them as much as possible on the phone, no matter how far they are from me right now. In Brazil, in Florida, it doesn't matter. I want to talk to them as much as possible. If you're working super hard on your body, don't forget about your mind, because that's also extremely important. Guys, don't forget to check out the National Pork Board, who were amazing to sponsor today's video. The link is going to be in the description right below, and subscribe to my channel. Every day we get closer and closer to 2 million family members here on YouTube, and I cannot wait to see the number 2 in the beginning of my subscriber number. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.